Welcome to the Nail Sanctuary. I'm Shawnee, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a recreation of the nails that Janet Jackson wore in the 1998 music video, What's It Gonna Be? This video is the first of a series of videos I'll be doing on my channel this month honoring black women and their nails in the 90s. Black women have been the trendsetters in nail art. In the 1990s, long curved bling out nails with out of the ordinary designs were very popular in the community, but it was oftentimes deemed as ghetto and tacky. In recent time, bling nails and nails of different shapes and design are pretty much the standard now. Black women are often forgotten in the conversation of the history of acrylic nails and nail art. Today, that's not going to happen, at least not on my channel. As a black woman myself, in Black History Month, I want to pay homage. So for today's video, I decided to start with Janet Jackson's nails in this music video where she had rocked pierced nails. So these nails are long, they have that curved aesthetic, and they are chrome and pierced. This was the first time that I've ever done pierced nails. I am excited, and let's get straight into the products I'll be using today. I've already prepped Jade's nails. I decided to use the natural tips from Young Nails instead of those clear ones, but now it's time to lay the acrylic. Watch me work.